Let us discuss DeXe Protocol price prediction. DeXe is witnessing strong price momentum and growing attention from investors. Over the past few months, DeXe has delivered impressive performance. Its market cap has crossed $1.5 billion, and since the end of the November election, the price has almost driving the DeXe bull run. One of the main reasons is increased retail and institutional buying. But price alone never tells the full story. To really understand where DeXe could go next, you need to look deeper at how the token is structured and who actually controls it. One of the most important aspects here is ownership concentration. DEC is heavily dominated by whales. The top 100 holders control 99.8% of the total supply. Overall, whale holdings stand at around 99%. This is a critical point because it means a very small group of wallets has the power to influence price direction in a major way. In such setups, the market doesn't always behave in a purely organic way. Instead, large holders can drive trends through accumulation and distribution phases. For example, based on current modeling, the 2026 price prediction for DEX is around $4.1. Prediction depends on overall crypto market condition, market depth, and trading volume, and the position of the large holders. DEXE is high potential but structure sensitive asset. It has experienced a strong price performance, and despite risk, it provides strong potential. However, this projection depends heavily on broader crypto market conditions, liquidity cycles, and most importantly, whale positioning. So rather than labeling DEXE as simply bullish or bearish, it's more accurate to see it as a high potential but structure driven asset. Now, this is where most investors face challenges. Many rely only on charts, indicators, or social media narratives, but miss the deeper layer of market behavior that actually drives price movements. And this is exactly where Crowd Wisdom 360 comes in. Crowd Wisdom 360 focuses on understanding market behavior instead of just tracking price. It analyzes real activity, whether large holders are accumulating or selling. It tracks retail sentiment, identifying whether smaller investors are entering or exiting positions. It monitors influencer positioning, which often plays a key role in short-term price momentum. And it evaluates the overall market trend. But what makes it powerful is how this data is converted into actionable alerts. These alerts are designed to simplify complex market signals into clear actions. You receive early buy alerts when whales begin accumulating and momentum is building. You receive sell alerts when distribution starts or when the market shows signs of weakening. You also get a clear bullish or bearish outlook, helping you understand the broader direction instead of reacting emotionally. This allows users to move ahead of the market instead of chasing it. Let us look at a real example. Subscribers who followed DEXE alerts on Crowd Wisdom 360 gained 103% in just the last 25 days. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, the portfolio audit. The Crowd Wisdom 360 portfolio audit goes far beyond a simple portfolio tracker. It provides a deep analysis of your holdings. It identifies which assets in your portfolio are high risk. It flags tokens that are heavily whale dominated, like DEX. It highlights overexposure, for example, if too much of your portfolio is concentrated in similar types of assets or narratives. It also assigns a risk profile to each asset, helping you clearly understand what level of risk you are taking. But the most valuable part is the guidance it provides. The portfolio audit suggests where you may need to rebalance. It can indicate if you are overexposed to high risk or whale control tokens, and where reducing allocation might improve stability. It can also highlight opportunities where increasing exposure could be beneficial based on current trends. Another key advantage is identifying hidden risks. Sometimes multiple assets in a portfolio are affected by the same underlying factor, like liquidity cycles or whale behavior. Even if they seem different on the surface, they can move together during market shifts. The portfolio audit helps uncover these hidden correlations. This gives you a much clearer understanding of your total portfolio risk, not just individual token performance. And in a market where structure matters as much as price, this level of insight becomes extremely valuable, especially when dealing with assets like DEX